Hey, Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. I really want to make a quick video. My mother-in-law, my mom here in Pennsylvania, is in our last couple of days on Earth, and I wanted to get a trade in today for. I had a couple minutes here. Today, I'm just being very patient. I know it's hard to believe. I've had a couple times where I put my account at risk, and then I said, you know what, I need to stop doing that and just bide my time and wow, there's a nice move. Um, so today was day 14 in EA 157, which I started back on looks like March 18th. So I am working my way to $1,500. Overall goal right now, take this to PA, get paid on that PA, open up another EA, get the second EA to PA, and so forth and so on. This year, I like to get between 3 to 5 accounts up to PA, hopefully by summertime. That's the overall goal right now, to pull first 1,500, then 3,000, and then so forth and so on per month. Like to get up to about $6,000 this year is the overall goal right now, and just taking it one trading day at a time. If it takes all month to get all those days in to get there, then that's what I'm trying to accomplish, so that I can pull out roughly by the end of this year. I'd like to be pulling out about $6,000 a month, and then keep growing from there. That's about it. I mean, there's not really a lot going on. I don't want to take a lot of time today. I'm just not. I wanted to get the trade in. So I did get a trade in for a day count and whatnot. Not that that matters now, but I'm getting edging ever so closer. And I've had a couple losing days in this account as well, but I'm averaging out about, well, that's, yeah, um, don't really know what I want to talk about. I have been using, I guess we'll talk about this and I'll wrap it up. I have been using my lines to help make trade decisions. Um, these magenta lines, these pink lines, are volume figures that are above 80 or higher, 100 and whatnot. And at some point during the week, these lines have come into play. I mean, if we smush this down, I think I showed you this before. So this is the range that's been trading this week, looking at what, 18,350. Looks like there's another one down low, or is that it? No, it's S1. Down here to 18,125 during the trading session. So that's kind of where we've been hanging out. It's been during the week. Now it's making a nice move, finally breaking out to the upside. Um, it was toying here a little while. Um, See, it's come down towards pivot, and it's I didn't start till a little after 11 today. I think I took my trade on it. I think I caught this move right here at 11:15 was the move that I caught, and there's a whole bunch of we're above pivot, so I've tried to take long signals above pivot if available. There was some shorts between 10 to 10:30 available, but I wasn't trading then. Anyway, my mother-in-law, she's fought she's fought a good fight. She's she was cured of cancer, and then it came back with a vengeance. And um, I don't know if I'll trade tomorrow or not. It really depends on. She's in her last couple of days on Earth right now, and um, prayers for peace and comfort for her. God bless everyone out there. Take care. Guide, guard, and direct yourself. Obviously, be safe. I know it's difficult for me to say that I'm taking my time, but I'm trying to just be patient with myself and allow the market to get me to target and go from there. All right, today was Thursday, April 11th, 2024. I'll see you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.